All right, so here are the instructions on how to access the Teaching Hands-on Math Linear Equations lab. If you've already registered, the first link at the top of these instructions will just take you directly to the course. If not, and you need to register, we're going to go down to that need to register spot and we're going to click on that first link. Okay, once we reach this page, the first button we need to click on is the Add to Cart button, the green button right on the left-hand side of the page. From here, you're going to go to Proceed to Checkout. You will notice that there's no money involved. It is a free course, but we just have to call it Checkout because that's the way it's set up. So go ahead and click that. And from here, you have three options. If you have a Purdue account, you can log in with that. If not, you're going to have to create a new account, which means we're going to jump over to this orange box right here. Okay, once you go through to that link, you will see you need to enter your first name, last name, an email, and a temporary password. Once you've created your account, you'll be taken to this page where they'll ask for some demographic information to attach to your account. Once you've completed that, you'll have to take one more step before you can access the course. In order to log into the course, you'll need to go back to your email that you used to register and find an email that has a link to reset your password. It will bring you to this page. Once you've completed the password reset, you can click on the Go To Login page and then click on Online, Corporate, and Non-Credit. You'll use your username and the new password you have created to log into the course. Now you're registered and ready to take the class.